Welcome. Today I am with
EssentielB HeYou
and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first, let's prepare good source of light to see every image that we have on our screen. As you can see, in my case I can find a lot of fingerprints on the display. So right now we can open tempered glass box with our tempered glass. Inside we'll find for sure the tempered glass. As you can see, it fits perfectly our screen, and inside in the box we can find also the two wipes, the wet and the dry. At the first we are going to use the wet one. And we have to clean our screen in the circle, just like that. Remember to reach a very corner and the very edge. Okay, I think that right now it looks definitely better. Take a look. Right now we have to use the dry one. Okay, and right now if your screen is still a little bit wet, you can use additional wipe or wet. I mean additional wipe or towel. For example, I'm going to use something like that. So we can make it, you can use it and clean your screen. As you can see right now, the display looks definitely better. So we can start with applying tempered glass. And in this case I have flat version of the tempered glass. So right here around the display we'll get a little bit air under tempered glass, because here we got a little bit curved edges. Let's take off this sticker and it will follow with the foil. As you can see, you have to keep holding the bottom part of your tempered glass and put glass for upper section of your display. I think that right now it looks really good. And we can put the bottom part just like that. And take a look, as you can see, it goes almost automatically. And there it is. Right now we can use your wipe to remove the rest of the air from the tempered glass. And as I said before, on the edges we will get a little bit of the air because we got the curved display. And as you can see, that's how we can apply this glass on the smartphone. And right now we can use our device, so there's no any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying this kind of protection on your smartphone. And that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.